How to add interactive elements to digital projection mapping. If you're curious about how to turn your digital projection mapping into an engaging and interactive experience, you're in the right place. Let's break down the steps to make your projections come alive. First, you need to understand that interactive projection mapping involves more than just projecting images onto a surface. It's about creating a dynamic and responsive environment that reacts to user input or environmental changes. To start, you'll need some advanced technology. This includes sensors, real-time tracking systems, and sophisticated software algorithms. These tools help align the digital content precisely with the physical surface, ensuring a seamless and responsive interaction. One way to add interactivity is by using microphones. These can detect sound signals and trigger visual effects, animations, or changes in the projection display based on the volume or frequency of the sounds. For example, if you're creating an art installation, the sound of footsteps or voices can change the colors or patterns of the projection. Another method is to use RGB cameras. These cameras capture color information and can track movements or gestures of individuals interacting with the projection. This allows the projection to change in real time as people move around or interact with it. For more precise tracking, you can use 3D depth cameras like Microsoft's Kinect sensor. These cameras offer depth sensing capabilities, enabling real-time tracking of users' movements, gestures, and positions in three-dimensional space. This is particularly useful for creating immersive experiences where the projection responds accurately to user actions. Environment sensors can also be integrated to provide real-time data on ambient conditions such as temperature, humidity, or wind speed. This data can influence the behavior of the projections, adjusting elements like color schemes, movement patterns, and more. For instance, a projection could change its color palette based on the temperature of the room. Physical buttons or arcade buttons can serve as tangible interfaces for users to interact with the projection. By pressing these buttons, individuals can trigger predefined actions or switch between different projection modes, adding a tactile element to the experience. When setting up your interactive projection mapping, it's important to consider the environment. Factors like lighting, noise levels, and the physical space itself can affect the quality of the projection. Ensuring that the environment is conducive to the technology can make a big difference in the overall experience. In summary, adding interactive elements to digital projection mapping involves integrating various technologies such as sensors, cameras, and physical interfaces. By doing so, you can create a dynamic, immersive, and engaging experience that responds to user input and environmental changes, making your projections truly interactive and memorable.